Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to put the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro into fast boot mode. To get started, hold the power key to power off the device. Select power off and wait for it to shut off. Once the device is off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, the device is now in fast boot mode. If you want to leave this mode, just hold the power key until the screen turns off. It will power back on its own. We're back in the Android system. That's how you enter and exit fast boot mode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.